Hello, Prep Careers students. This week, August 17th through the 21st, we're going to talk about select jobs from the area of construction, production, mechanics, and repairs. The jobs that we are going to talk about are apparel workers, auto body repairs and helpers, bricklayers and stonemasons, carpet installers, construction craft laborers, drywall workers and latherers, hand packers and packagers, handlers, helpers, laundry and dry cleaning machine operators, roofers, tire repairs, and changers. In this area of jobs, this genre of jobs, these workers use their hands to work with things. Some use tools to make and fix things. Some workers put things together. Some drive vehicles. They work very hard. These workers need strength and mobility. Construction workers build structures and things like roads and bridges. They may use tools and large equipment. Workers in construction have a high rate of injuries. They sometimes work in high places. Earth moving and wood cutting machines can be dangerous. Workers must be trained in the safe way to handle tasks. Construction offers more opportunities than most other industries for people who want to run their own business. They work on construction projects such as room additions, remodeling, and maintenance jobs. Production workers make all kinds of machines and goods. They may work getting products ready to sell or move. Many of these jobs can be found in factories. Most of these workers do not work with the public. As machinery advances, fewer and fewer production workers are needed. Construction and production jobs are affected by the general economy. When people are not buying things, the work slows down. Mechanics and repairers use tools to fix all kinds of machines and vehicles. Some work in garages, helping people keep their cars running. Many others work in all kinds of settings, from the freezers used by food distributors to the oil derricks that pumps oil. Most people do not use or even see the vast number of machines that make our lifestyles possible. When we go through each one of these jobs that we read, we will see the job name and the description and the job listing. You will find in each job listing, you'll see the job title phonetically spelled, how you pronounce it, and you will look at the job outlooks. If you see 3 stars, this is a very good outlook, more job openings than workers. If you see 2, that's a good outlook, about the same number of openings as workers. If you see 1 star, this may be fewer job openings than workers. There will be also different icons for personal skills and knowledge. These are the skills that you would need for the job, such as working with the public. So if you see a set of hands shaking, that's you must be able to work with public and deal with people outside of the business, deal with upset customers, and you have to be well groomed and polite. If you see a bunch of people together, you have to work closely with people. So you may have to care for people, you may have to touch people and deal with sad or angry people. If you see the screwdriver and the hammer, that means that job, you have to operate tools and equipment, and you might have to be trained on those different pieces of equipment and tools. If you see a computer, you have to have computer skills and typing skills. If you see this with a student in a desk and these math symbols, you must have to be able to do basic math like add and subtract and multiply and divide. If you see a balloon, that means that you have to be creative. Think of some good ideas outside of the box. Physical needs, these are the skills that you would need for a job, such as strength. This means that job would require somebody to do some heavy lifting. Dexterity, that means you have to have good hand-eye coordination and be able to do exact things with your hands. Mobility, the pair of legs, that means you have to move around easy and bend, crawl, or reach. Although there's some jobs that even though they require mobility, if you use a wheelchair, you could still get those jobs done. Good vision, you must be able to see well for details. And if you see an ear, that means good hearing. You must be able to hear well. And this clock means stamina. That means that you must be able to work long hours doing the same thing over and over. So this was an introduction to the jobs that we are going to review thoroughly, the construction, production, mechanics, and repairs types of jobs. And so for Tuesday, we will look at apparel workers, auto body repairs and helpers, bricklayers and sonemasons. Wednesday, we will look at carpet installers, construction craft laborers, drywall workers and lathers, hand packers and packagers. Handlers and helpers will be on Thursday. And Friday, we will look at laundry and dry cleaning machine operators, roofers, tire repairs, and changers. So if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to me. Send me an inbox message, email me on my school email, or call me at my work number. My extension is 45106.